Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have discussed about Mughal Empire. Simply, I introduce you about Mughal Empire, why it is important, what is the importance of study of Mughal Empire, their system of ruling, their rules and regulations which were introduced by them. They have importance in present time also. Now we are going to discuss the next topic. It is who are the Mughals. This is also very important topic which tell you about their ancestors, who are their ancestors. Here it is described Mughals, their mother side, they were the descendants of Jahangir Khan. He was Mongol, very cruel person he was. Then father side, Mughals were successor of Taimur. Taimur was ruler of Iran, Iraq, and in present time the modern Ottoman Turkey is there. They were the ruler of Turkey. And Mughals did not like to call themselves Mughals or Mongol because they do not like Jahangir Khan. Jahangir Khan was very cruel person. He murdered many people. He had done massacre of many people. That is why Mughals do not want to join their name with them due to Jahangir Khan, and no one liked Jahangir Khan at that time. That is why they like the Taimur. They like to call themselves the successor of Taimur. Taimur was as the ruler of Iran, Iraq and Turkey. Taimur attacked on Delhi in 1398. This was also reason why Mughals like him. They have good memory of Taimur. He attacked and he had taken the wealth from Delhi to his own kingdom. Now we are going to discuss the next topic, Mughal military campaign. Now the next topic is Mughal military campaign. We are going to study about Babur. Babur was the ruler of Farghana. His ancestor ruled on Farghana, but when he started his rule on Farghana at the age of 12 years, another group of Mongol, they were Uzbeks from Uzbekistan. They attacked on Farghana, and he was very small. His family fled away from Farghana, and after wandering here and there for many years. In 1504, he seized the Kabul. He had taken control over Kabul in 1504, and then he thought about Delhi, that his ancestor Taimur was captured Delhi one time, and he attacked on Delhi in 1526, and after attacking on Delhi, he defeated Ibrahim Lodi at the Battle of Panipat. He had cannons which were very helpful to him, and he won the battle with Ibrahim Lodi, and he started ruling on Delhi. When Taimur attacked on Delhi, he had taken the wealth from the Delhi to his own country, Iran, Iraq, Ottoman Turkey. But when Babur attacked on India, on Delhi from western frontier, he liked the climatic condition of Delhi, the place where he ruled in Kabul, or where he belonged to Farghana. That area was very warm, but when he entered in Delhi in Indian subcontinent, he liked the atmosphere of India, and he remained here. He stayed here about 5 years, from 1526 to 1530. He ruled. After him, the ruler was Humayun. This was the rule of Babur. He was the first emperor of Mughal Empire. The battles fought by the Babur were: Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in 1526 at Panipat, and in 1527 he defeated Rana Sanga, a Rajput ruler and allies at Khanua, and again in 1528 he defeated the Rajputs at Chanderi and stabilized his control over Agra and Delhi. This was the establishment of Mughal Empire over Delhi. And in next lecture we will discuss about Humayun, Sher Shah Suri, then Akbar and Jahangir when they ruled. Then after him Shah Jahan was the ruler, and the last powerful ruler Aurangzeb since 1658 to 1707. We will discuss these all in next lecture.